In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable fast charging on Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off head over to Settings. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen and then tap at Gear. On Settings, scroll down until you find Battery, and then scroll down to Charging Settings. Here they are. That's where we can easily enable fast charging via cable by activating that option. And also we can enable wireless charging by activating the rest one. That's how you can easily enable fast charging on Samsung Galaxy S23, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.